Good afternoon, my examiner. I'm candidate number 015. I'm here for my practical examination and project defense. This woman is 28 years old. She came with a complaint of constant fatigue, and she has a family history of diabetes, prior history of a macrosomic baby who weighed 4 kilograms at birth, and she has once had diabetic unconsciousness. Please manage her with your standing orders. Thank you, my examiner. Good morning, ma. I have gotten your complaint. You will be fine. Please, I will ask you a few questions and I need you to provide me with answers. What is your name?
Joyce Uwalaka.
Where do you live?
Opposite Anglican Church, Otolonnewi.
What do you do for living?
I'm a trader. I sell motor parts at the market.
How old are you?
26 years.
When did this fatigue start?
It started since 3 days now.
Is the fatigue constant or does it come and go?
It is constant. I feel tired almost all the time.
Apart from the fatigue, have you noticed any other symptoms?
Yes, I have been feeling very thirsty and passing urine more often.
Does the fatigue affect your normal daily activities?
Yes, sometimes I feel too tired to do my normal activities. Some nights, I don't sleep.
Do you have any bleeding?
No.
When did you see your last menstrual blood flow?
About 4 months ago, around the 10th of April.
What arrangements have you made for delivery?
Yes.
Have you taken any drugs?
No, I haven't.
Ma, I will perform a series of examinations on you. I will examine your body from your hair to toes. I will measure your blood pressure. I will take your temperature, pulse, and respiration. Then I will weigh you and measure your height. Weigh you and measure your height. Then you will get your urine for me because I will need to perform a test on it. And finally, I will need your blood for checking your blood sugar level. Ma, do I have your permission to proceed with the examination and the investigations?
Yes. Yes, you can proceed.
Just a small prick now. Hold this cotton on it. Your blood sugar is 5.6. I have completed the general physical assessment. The findings are as follows. Your weight is 65 kilograms and your height is 2 meters. Your calculated BMI is 16.25 kilograms per square meter. This falls within the underweight category. Being underweight means that your body weight is lower than what is generally expected for your height. It may mean you are not getting enough energy or nutrients, so we need to assess the possible reason. Your general assessment is okay with no abnormalities detected. Your temperature is 36.8 degrees Celsius, your pulse is 73 beats per minute, and your respiration is 18 breaths per minute. Your urine shows protein +2, positive nitrite, and glucose +3. These findings may indicate protein loss, possible urinary infection. You also have glycosuria, meaning glucose is present in your urine. This can be a sign of diabetes, especially with your history. Your random blood glucose is elevated, which means there is more sugar in your blood than expected. Together with the glucose in your urine, this raises concern for the baby, and therefore we must reduce it so that you and your baby can be fine. Your blood pressure is 120/75, which is okay. Because you are pregnant and have a high risk of diabetes, healthy lifestyle habits are very important for you and your baby. Choose balanced meals with vegetables, protein, and high fiber foods, and reduce sugary drinks, sweets, and other highly processed foods. For example, you can eat beans with plenty of vegetables and fish with a moderate portion of plantain, and choose fruits like orange, guava, or pawpaw instead of sugary snacks. You can still eat foods like yam and rice, but take smaller portions, add plenty of vegetables and fish, and choose whole fruits instead of sugary snacks. Another healthy choice is beans with a moderate portion of boiled plantain, plenty of vegetables and fish, followed by a whole fruit instead of sugary snacks. Because you are pregnant and at increased risk of related issues, gentle activities such as regular walking can help you stay healthy and control your blood sugar. Please avoid strenuous exercise. I will refer you to St. Christopher's Hospital for further assessment. I will give you a referral letter, which you will take with you and present at the hospital. Before you go, I will educate you on the important things you should know. Please make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep at night, and try to have about 2 hours of rest during the day when you can. This is very important for you and your baby. Try to maintain good posture by sitting and standing upright, keeping your back supported and your shoulders relaxed, and avoid slouching for long periods. As your pregnancy advances, avoid lying flat on your back for long periods. When resting or sleeping, lie comfortably on your side instead. Please plan to deliver in a health facility and prepare early by arranging transport, keeping your documents ready, and knowing where to seek emergency care. Please remember these danger signs during pregnancy: severe headache, vaginal bleeding, severe abdominal pain, or convulsion require urgent medical attention. After delivery, family planning can help you space your pregnancies. Please discuss the suitable options with your healthcare provider before choosing a method. Do you have any questions or concerns about what we have discussed?
No, I don't have any questions for now.
Please, can you tell me in your own words what you have learned about keeping yourself healthy?
I have learned to eat healthy food, exercise safely, and sleep comfortably on my side instead of lying flat on my back for long periods.
And what danger signs should make you seek medical care immediately?
Severe headache, vaginal bleeding, severe abdominal pain, or convulsion. If I notice any of these, I should seek medical care immediately.
Please keep your home health records safely and always bring them with you whenever you come to the health facility. They help us review your previous care and monitor your pregnancy at each follow-up visit.